Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Ulefone Armor 13 Quality and Toughness Test. Ulefone carried out many tests, not limited in waterproof, dustproof and dropproof tests, to guarantee and show the quality and toughness of Power Armor 13. 300 times tumbling test. 100,000 times pressing test. 2,000 times crushing test. 100,000 times touchscreen test. 5,000 times USB endurance test. 5,000 times mini drop endurance test. 30 gram, 60 gram, 90 gram, 130 gram ball pressure test. 1.5 meter deep 30 minutes waterproof test. 1.2 meter drop test from multi-angle. 20 elsius low temperature 55 elsius high temperature test. 'Sand and dust test. Power Armor 13 perfectly survived in test after test. Shown in the video, Power Armor 13 is still in perfect condition without any appearance and performance damage.